Are you ready to learn everything you need to know to get started with stock trading and investing using technical analysis? Hey, Jason here with Quantum Courses, and welcome to the Stock Trading with Technical Analysis Masterclass. Learning how to trade stocks is just like learning a new language. You could try to learn through trial and error, but having a guide will save you a ton of time and probably a lot of money as well. We will cover the top mistakes that most beginners make and the traits that you must develop to become a successful trader. You will learn how to read and understand candlestick charts and how to apply and use various indicators and overlays to perform technical analysis. We will go over how to create your account on a trading exchange and go over how to use the platform tools. And you will even follow along as you watch me buy and sell stocks as I place real trades with real money. You get to look over my shoulders as I go through multiple day trading examples so you can see my entire trading process from A to Z. No experience or money is required. Trading can be a little overwhelming for beginners, so for the less experienced traders, I will also show you a method that you can use to start practicing trading real stocks without risking any real cash. Starting with this method will allow you to practice the trading techniques and strategies that you learn in the course in a realistic environment, worry-free. You will learn how to create watch lists so you can keep track of your favorite stocks and assets, the best tools and resources to find and analyze trades, various trade types and order strategies, and we will even go over how you can short various markets and assets without using options. As a bonus, we will also discuss some technical investing strategies that you can implement to start intelligently building your long-term investment portfolio. Learning to invest the right way can help you to build wealth over time, help to secure your future, and provide protection against certain economic or financial issues that may arise. So take some time now to check out the free preview videos and go through the course curriculum so you can see everything that we'll be covering in the course. This is a full-length stock trading masterclass covering everything you need to know to get started with zero fluff or filler. We offer a 30-day money-back guarantee, so there's no risk to start learning with me today. So thanks for stopping by, and I'll see you in the course.